Welcome to Cybersecure. In today's video, we'll be discussing simulated attacks, also known as penetration testing or ethical hacking exercises. Simulated attacks can help organizations identify vulnerabilities and improve their cybersecurity defenses. So, let's get started. Penetration testing and ethical hacking exercises are often used interchangeably to refer to the same type of security assessment. Penetration testing is typically more formalized and structured, with specific goals and objectives defined beforehand, while ethical hacking exercises may be more open-ended and exploratory in nature. However, the end goal of both approaches is the same: to identify and remediate vulnerabilities in an organization's security posture. Overall, simulated attacks are controlled exercises in which security professionals attempt to exploit vulnerabilities in a system or network to identify weaknesses and improve defenses. These simulated attacks are not real attacks, as they are conducted with the permission and cooperation of the organization being tested. Why are simulated attacks important? Simulated attacks can help certain organizations meet regulatory requirements and demonstrate compliance with industry standards. For example, many organizations are required to conduct regular security assessments and penetration testing in order to comply with regulations such as PCI DSS or HIPAA. While conducting simulated attacks may not be a requirement for all organizations, they can be a valuable tool for identifying vulnerabilities before real attacks occur, improving cybersecurity defenses, and demonstrating a commitment to security. Simply put, simulated attacks can help organizations identify vulnerabilities in their systems and networks that may not have been discovered through regular security monitoring or assessments. By identifying vulnerabilities and weaknesses, organizations can take steps to improve their cybersecurity defenses and reduce their risk of a successful cyber attack. By conducting regular simulated attacks, organizations can proactively identify weaknesses in their security posture and improve their overall cybersecurity defenses. Moreover, simulated attacks can help organizations test their incident response capabilities and identify potential weaknesses in their response plans. In a broad sense, conducting regular simulated attacks can help increase stakeholder confidence in an organization's cybersecurity program by demonstrating a commitment to security and a proactive approach to identifying and addressing potential vulnerabilities. Simulated attacks are conducted in a safe and controlled environment, with the permission and cooperation of the organization being tested. However, it's important to ensure that these exercises are conducted by qualified and experienced security professionals who understand the potential risks and implications of these exercises. Thus, it's important to ensure that the security professionals conducting a simulated attack or penetration testing exercise are qualified and experienced in this field. Here are some steps you can take to ensure that you are working with qualified professionals. 1. Look for certifications. Check if the professionals conducting the test have relevant certifications in cybersecurity, such as the Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH), Certified Information Systems Security Professional (CISSP), or Offensive Security Certified Professional (OSCP). These certifications demonstrate that the individual has the necessary knowledge and skills to conduct security assessments. 2. Check references. Ask for references or case studies from previous clients or projects that the professionals have worked on. This can help you evaluate their level of expertise and experience. 3. Ask about methodology. Ask the professionals about their methodology and approach to conducting the assessment. They should be able to explain their process in detail and provide a clear understanding of how they will identify and exploit vulnerabilities. 4. Verify background. Check the background of the professionals, including their education and work experience. You can also check for any relevant publications or research they have conducted in the field of cybersecurity. 5. Check for partnerships. Look for partnerships or affiliations with reputable cybersecurity organizations, such as the Information Systems Security Association (ISA), or the International Association of Computer Science and Information Technology (IACSIT). By taking these steps, you can help ensure that the security professionals conducting your simulated attack or penetration testing exercise are qualified and experienced, and will provide you with a high-quality assessment of your organization's security posture. Simulated attacks can take many forms, including web application testing, network penetration testing, and social engineering testing. These exercises are conducted using specialized software and tools designed specifically for this purpose, such as Metasploit or Burp Suite. Firstly, during a web application testing exercise, security professionals may attempt to exploit vulnerabilities in a website or web application. This could include attempting to bypass authentication mechanisms, injecting malicious code, or stealing sensitive data. Secondly, during a network penetration testing exercise, security professionals may attempt to gain unauthorized access to a network or system. This could include attempting to exploit vulnerabilities in software or hardware, or attempting to brute force passwords. Overall, by conducting regular simulated attacks and identifying potential weaknesses in their incident response plans, organizations can improve their ability to respond effectively to real-world cyber attacks. That's all for today's video on simulated attacks. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on cybersecurity.